Today's a good day. Just got sponsored by Makita. Now obviously I was kidding about being sponsored, but Makita, if you're out there, I'm open to free tools. But I got the new 40 volt track saw from Makita, so we'll open it up. This is obviously the track that the saw runs on. Don't know how big that is, but small cardboard board. Put that over here. The second one. Now, if you guys kept up with all my videos, you'll know that I actually designed my trailer drawers for these. So I'm very happy that they sent me two. Yeah, they'll fit in nicely, and now I only need one more box to complete my whole drawers, and that's it. So we'll cut it open and we'll see what's in it. First, we'll open up that spare box. I think it's just got the charger and shit in it. Yeah, there's a charger. You have 40 amp batteries, so they'll come in handy. I don't know what I'll put in this box yet, but we'll figure that out when I get more tools, eh? Small cardboard chunk. There's this. That's the Bluetooth chip. So then, when you connect it to the vacuum, the manual. I'll read that later. And then here it is, the bad boy. There's nothing there. So to be honest, I actually have no idea how to use it. Just seen like Scott Brown and Jackson Hode do it, so plus it's, yeah, kind of eliminates me getting a table saw, but I do want a table saw, but yeah, so for cutting drawers and the edge of deckings and ripping down a few things like bigger timber, I've got a new toy for it, but I will learn, and you know what they say, can never have too many tools.
Rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lane. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers and getting wild. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, and I just leave him pressure. Next to rain, on the window pane, poke the plain Jane. Let him second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the Porsche in the skin. Whip the wheels, let the horses why they trash, another chore on my list. Added this over, I saw with the pen. I'm eating good, Miss Caloric as shit. I sipped the potion and poured it in. I on the tide while she poured it. Opportunity, knock at the door, then I grin. They rush for the doors, then they open like bliss. Pin stroke, game cold as the fridge. Sound wave for like more than the clicks. Cowabunga, search the word for my shit. Ayy, wait. Been gritty, don't pity, they do a thing with me, been real fuck trending. I'm hype, I'm litty, been this since winners don't play game with me. I volley these hits like I play tennis. I drink this shit, nah, I live it, don't pitch. I live here at the top with the titty, said I run this shit. How I try it with the pizza, but they flop with the vision jaw drop when I spit it off top. Little bitch, needed these 7 figures catch the fade when they jump. Then I count it down to the penny way. Heavy is all on my brain, I've gotta make that end it. Wait, but I might spark that wildfire rubble when I reach Funhouse active. Yeah, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. Keep it on it, they crunching the numbers and getting out. Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. Keep it on it, they crunching the numbers and getting out. I just want passion, still young passive. Running for the mash, I do cash me. I just want passion. Love and young living in the fast life, young. Smoke cloud from the hash pipe, catch air from the half pipe. I need a centerfold from the shows with the mansion. Chandelier dancing, counting a Branson, yeah. Been had hella Franks, when it's ballpark figures. Might be in the field, but I came from the trenches. You can tell it's my time, you can better swing. I do like the charm on my wrist, let me glitch. Want me pay the way, I'm the wave, I'm authentic. Sitting courtside, got a sprain, nigga. I run the gang for the gang. Nothing but a thing when I sing. Young Usain, how I sprinting, getting fresh prints, counting a blessing on blessing on blessing. They call me the reverend, y'all nigga play too much. I've been so gone off the braces, I end my hiatus by sparking that flame. Shit, y'all niggas stay in your lane, young entertained. I'm next to rain, the fuck is you saying? Out of my brain, not from this planet. Hide from the cameras, high up the energy sent to me. From the enemy, that's the advantage. By doing the damage, a counted advantage. I buy you my nemesis. This is my genesis. I never had privilege. They took our innocence, but fuck that, I'm young and I'm wild, going ignorant like Funhouse active, king of the palace. Rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lane.
And there we go, all done. Got to use the Makita 40 volt track saw. That's actually the first time I've ever used a track saw. So the first cut on the MDF down there was a bit shaky, but by the end of it I was starting to get the hang of it, and I actually cut everything in here with that saw. So in total it ran for about 14 hours in total, 7 the first day, just cutting the easy ones like that. And I actually got down to my last cut, the one just down there next to that door, last cut, and it started feeling slow. I was like, oh, I better change it, don't want to stuff it up in the last one. Overall, I think it's a really good track saw for beginners like myself. Only thing that I would get would be like a vacuum to like plug into it, because couple cuts and it just filled the room up with dust and crap. So yeah, that's one thing on my list. Or Makita, if you want to send me one. No, I'm only joking. But yeah, overall I'm happy with it and can't wait to try it out on like decking and more things like this. So yeah.